How to participate in the Zenith Bank rights issue. Log into your NGX platform. Just under available offers, you see the Zenith Bank rights issue. Click offer details. Input your CHN number or your registered account number and hit submit. Here you get to see the details about the right issue and download supporting documents for more information. Then you head over to buy now and you see the maximum units buyable. This is the number of shares you can purchase in the right offer. So you select your commission receiver. Make sure you input Quantum Zenith Securities and Investments Limited. Quantum Zenith Securities and Investments Limited. Input the number of shares you want to buy. The price automatically populates. Select your bank. Input your account number. Then tick the box stating you've read the document stated there and hit buy now. A pay start page pops up. Follow the prompts to make payments. And that's how you participate in Zenith Bank rights issue.